Are there secret methods? Do we use special tools? तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सब कुछ डिटेल में बताऊंगा जिससे आपके सब डाउट क्लियर हो जाएंगे. Without any suspense, I'm going to straightforward tell you there are no secrets. We are not born with it. But there are some things that you need to focus on which will help you to grip up your skill. So watch till end. Start with basics. Start with simple objects such as circle, squares, triangles or something like that rather than being in a complex stage. It took me around 20 minutes and you can see I started with simple objects to create my base. Then further I moved on to the detailing part. So do we use special tools? At the beginning I was normally using a local pencil, but after 1.5 year I bought this .7 mechanical pencil and I have used it around 2-3 years, and after that I bought a 0.5 mechanical pencil because I can't go through in adding details in my sketches, that's why. And last but not least, the most important part, practice. So these are my old drawings. At the beginning I didn't knew much about art, but after practicing and making around hundreds of drawings, I learned a lot by making each artwork. I still become amazed by looking at my past artworks, like I have reached a new level. And I will also suggest, if you want to learn on your own, use other people artworks and learn from them. Do this for 1 year and you will see your own progress. I hope this video might help you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. As for today, I will see you on the next video.